Université africaine franco-arabe, UPAFA, Mali Parrot Canada, Visa Consulting Community. Nous sommes fiers d'annoncer un accord de collaboration historique entre l'UPAFA et Parrot Canada Visa Consulting Co. Ltd, ouvrant ainsi l'accès à des opportunités académiques de classe mondiale pour les étudiants d'Afrique et d'ailleurs. Grâce à ce partenariat, les étudiants auront désormais accès à un large éventail de programmes au niveau licence, master et doctorat et associés à des parcours d'études à l'étranger, des opportunités de bourse et un accompagnement complet pour l'obtention de visa. Programmes offerts, license, master and doctorat disponible, management information systems, general computing, economy, corporate and market finance, business administration, and aviation, business administration in international marketing, maintenance, networks and telecommunications, marketing and public relations, hotel management and tourism, supply chain management and logistics, business management and administration, accounting, economic and financial analysis, Islamic finance, home economics, finance bank, transport logistics, customs transit, project planning and management, finance, information and communication technology (ICT), computer and multimedia networks, data science, catastrophic risk management and adaptation to climate change, risk management and insurance, digital and customers, portfolio management, cash management, organization management, economy of inspiration, economics of resilience, business management, public administration, audit, literature history, civilization and heritage, legal sciences, politics and administration, jurisprudence, science of education and training, translation and interpretation, journalism and communication, sociology and anthropology, social work and community development, human resources management, philosophy, international development, private and public law, international law, criminology, management and political science, theology, Islamic sciences, international relations and diplomacy, human and social sciences, comparison of religions, Islamic philosophy, business law and taxation, geography, Islamic theology, literature and language, English, Chinese, Russian, Spanish, African languages, surveying and geomatics sciences, geotechnical and pavement engineering, civil engineering, construction technology, road and highway engineering, electrical and electronic engineering, water and sanitation engineering, geology, forestry sciences, agronomy and animal husbandry, energy, mining survey, mining engineering, oil and gas engineering, architecture, food science, gas and urban planning, agribusiness management, construction management, land management and administration, mechanical engineering, automotive manufacturing, industrial engineering, biotechnology, art and design technology, graphic design, fashion design, textile and sewing technology, biodiversity and conservation, environmental management, thermal engineering, energy and renewable energy, real estate valuation and property management, biomedical technology, general medicine, health services management, public health, human nutrition, epidemiology, forensic medicine, community health, clinical psychology and guidance, biomedical laboratory sciences, ultrasound, medical laboratory sciences, nursing, pharmacy, pathology, orthopedic surgery, radiology, gynecology and obstetrics, mental health, clinical bactériologie. Pourquoi ce partenariat est unique? Accès direct à un portefeuille étendu de programmes à tous les niveaux académiques. Opportunité de bourse partielle ou totale pour les étudiants méritants. Un accompagnement complet pour la procédure de visa étudiant. Mobilité académique et échanges internationaux. Contactez-nous dès aujourd'hui pour postuler ou en savoir plus. Info visaconsultantcanada.com ou www.visaconsultantcanada.com. Ensemble, façonnons l'avenir de l'éducation mondiale. Contactez-nous dès aujourd'hui. Email info@visaconsultantcanada.com. WhatsApp +431 302 0226. Contactez-nous dès aujourd'hui. Email info@visaconsultantcanada.com. WhatsApp +1 431 3226. Office location address Town Center Building near Simba Supermarket. Second floor door for Nyarugenge, Kigali, Rwanda. Kigali office contacts Representative contacts Hungary, 737 Kenya, Nairobi, 447 Uganda, Kampala, 472 China, 513 Turkey, 249 USA.57 Rwanda, 472 Canada, 332 Zambia, 432 Mozambique, 433